as you can see, I'm starting to pack it out. First of all, just once again, cash. I've got a few bucks here that I folded up in small nominations, just to make sure that I've got some cash available for the day that I need it. Then the next thing that's in here, one of the priorities of survival is water tablets, so I can just treat water. I've got 9 tablets in here that I can just put into water and make water drinkable. Then I've got some cable ties. I've got 2 cable ties here that is used for the general purposes of just tying stuff together and repairing stuff if needed. Oh, there's another 3 of them coming out. Then I've got a small light that I'm using as well, just for general lighting in the case of an emergency. As you can see, it is still working, and it's working well. Then as we go on, in order to have food or to make provision for food, I've just got a small fishing kit that I've got in here. So the next item that's coming out here is a small mini big lighter. I never could understand why it's a big lighter if it's a mini, but yeah, that's one of the mysteries of life. Then the next thing I'm going to pull out here is a fire lighter. A fire starter. This is a as you can see, it's actually molded in here. This is a piece of cotton cloth, cotton wool in some wax that I can just use as a fire starter. So that covers my fire section. The next thing I've got in here is a small knife. As you can see, it's got some rust on it. It's been in here for, like I said, almost a year now. So just a small knife. The next thing is some plastic bags for that water purification and just general carrying stuff and putting stuff in if I gather something along the road. Just water bags or plastic bags, specially designed for or used for that. And that's it. That's the stuff that I'm carrying inside my cash belt.